Hello everybody, we are currently in Koreatown with my friend. Hello. Jiwon came from Maryland. Hey. Hi. We're at a Korean intestine restaurant called Chadolpung. It's one of my favorite places. We ordered the small, 2 gopchang and 1 taechang. Okay everyone, this is banchan. 감사합니다. 와 맛있다. 된장찌개. Yeah, 된장찌개 is so good.
Yeah. Wait, is this recording? Oh really? I've always wanted to do this. Cheers.
Do a little ASMR for them. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This is the large intestine. And then I dip it into this soy saucy, garlicky sauce. So how's life? How's Maryland?
Always the same. Life is good.
I love how, let's be real, we can see like what we're up to.
Yeah. Dude, you're always with people. That's crazy.
Well, you're never with people.
I'm always alone in my room.
Dude, do you ever leave your house?
I only leave to like go work out.
Oh, very good.
You got eat it.
Huh?
You got eat it.
I have a gift for you.
Oh my god, what? Oh my god! Finally.
Look at it.
My 80s beanie.
Yes. Hopefully it'll be in
yeah.
one of your lookbooks.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
Really?
Oh, actually.
You're lying to me. You're such a liar. Dude, why do I look like this?
No, dude, I swear that beanie does not look flattering on anybody.
Yeah. Fun fact, me and Jiwon met while working for a 80s concert tour. So all the people that we worked with signed this for me. Oh, it's so cute. And this beanie. Oh yeah. You know how they say that there's 2 types of people in this world? One type of people, they buy the airplane ticket and then 80% of their job is done. That's me. And we have another friend over here who will create
An Excel sheet.
an Excel sheet. Oh my gosh.
How do you live like that?
How do you live like that? What if it doesn't go your way?
I mean,
No,
it's okay.
You get stressed.
I do.
Wow. Demolished. Say demolished.
Finito.
No, say demolished.
Okay. Demolished.
Yeah. Wait, one more time. Yeah. One more time. Yeah.
I feel like a dog.
Hello. Hi there. Oh, hi. Hello.
Yeah, the sink. Of course I tried the sink.
What is that thing on the bottom? Coconut?
It's like yuja, but a different citrus.
I actually kind of like it.
But usually it's more fragrant and it's really good.
It's a familiar taste.
Smell it, smell it.
I don't smell anything.
Oh.
What is that?
Yeah, there's 2.
Pomegranate?
Nope.
Apple?
Oh my god. Hopeless.
Oh, that's peach?
It's like really peachy.
Try it now, now that I know. It's so peachy. We're gonna work now. Yeah. Hello, Ash. Hello. This is Haku's brother, Asher. Hi, Lex.
enjoy spicy. Oh.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
They prepared all of this while I was taking a short little nap. A fat nap. Fat little short nap. Thank you guys. So kind. So kind. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god, you're so good at it.
Can I put some veggies in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yes.
Put it in.
The Thai chilies are super spicy. Just
Being dirty.
why are you being dirty?
Never.
Oh,
So you guys got that instead?
smells good.
Oh, that smells
Dude, they didn't even. Oh, that smells really good.
What's this?
The fame.
Should I put it in?
What happened? Guys,
been
look
dirty.
at my sauce already. You guys
Oh,
gotta make
Can
your sauces.
you make me one?
Can I just share with you?
I don't want to share with you. I'll make you one. Here.
Thank you.
Mmm, that's so good. Wow.
Whoa.
I know.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa.
How are you gonna eat all of this?
We will, and then we're gonna turn it into chup.
Oh!
Stop.
Bruh.
Welcome to Cheese.
Wow.
It's a restaurant.
That's good.
Mm.
Whoa. Whoa. Alright, calm down.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Whoa.
Right? You need your own sauce.
Uh-huh.
No, we can share it.
It'll get watery.
Freaking good.
Thank you,
I
Jahi.
don't know, thank you so much. Great idea.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
And execution.
Thanks.
You guys put apples in there?
I had to put apples and pineapple.
Cognac. Cognac. Thank you.
Oh.
Oh. It doesn't have like a flavor, right?